In this video, we are going to compare the two legends of current Indian cricket team. One is Kohli and another one is Rohit. In this comparison, we are going to see about their personal information, Test career, ODI career, T20 career, All International career, and IPL career. The full name of Kohli is Virat Kohli. The full name of Rohit is Rohit Gurnath Sharma. The date of birth of Kohli is November 5, 1988. The date of birth of Rohit is April 13, 1987. The age of Kohli is 32. The age of Rohit is 33. The height of Kohli is 5.9. The height of Rohit is 5.8. The batting style of Kohli is right-handed batsman. The batting style of Rohit is right-handed batsman. Test career. The Test debut of Kohli is in June 20, 2011. The Test debut of Rohit is in November 6, 2013. The matches Kohli played is 91. The matches Rohit played is 38. The innings Kohli played is 153. The innings Rohit played in Test is 64. The runs Kohli scored in Test is 7,490. The runs Rohit scored in Test is 2,650. The average of Kohli is in Test is 52.38. The average of Rohit in Test is 46.7. The strike rate of Kohli in Test is 57.12. The strike rate of Rohit in Test is 58.4. The highest run scored by Kohli in Test is 254. The highest run scored by Rohit in Test is 212. The 200 and 100 scored Kohli scored is 7 by 27. 200 and 100 Rohit scored is 1 by 7. The 50 Kohli scored in Test is 25. The 50 Rohit scored in Test is 12. The 6 and 4 Kohli scored in Test is 22 by 839. The 6 and 4 Rohit hit in Test is 59 by 274. The not out of Kohli in Test is 10. The not out of Rohit in Test is 8. The Kohli got 12 ducks in Test. The Rohit got 4 ducks in Test. Best ICC rank of Kohli in Test is 1. The Rohit best ICC rank is 8. ODI career. The ODI debut of Kohli in ODI is August 8, 2018. The ODI debut of Rohit is June 23, 2007. The ODI match Kohli played is 251. The ODI match Rohit played is 224. The innings Kohli played is 242. The innings Rohit played is 217. The runs Kohli scored in ODI is 12,040. The runs Rohit scored in ODI is 9,115. The average of Kohli in ODI is 59.31. The average of Rohit in ODI is 49.27. The strike rate of Kohli in ODI is 93.25. The strike rate of Rohit is 88.93. The highest run Kohli scored in ODI is 183. The highest run Rohit scored in ODI is 264. The 200 and 100 Kohli scored in ODI is 0 by 43. The 200 and 100 Rohit scored in ODI is 3 by 229. The 50 Kohli scored is 60. The 50 Rohit scored is 43. The 6 and 4 Kohli hit in ODI is 125 by 1130. The 6 and 4 Rohit hit is 224 by 817. The not out of Kohli in ODI is 39. The not out of Rohit in ODI is 32. The Kohli got 13 ducks in ODI. The Rohit got 13 ducks in ODI. Best ICC rank of Kohli in ODI is 1. The best ICC rank of Rohit in ODI is 2. T20 career. The T20 debut of Kohli in is June 12, 2010. The T20 debut of Rohit is September 19, 2007. The matches Kohli played is 86. The matches Rohit played is 109. The innings Kohli played is 81. The innings Rohit played is 101. The runs Kohli scored is 3001. The runs Rohit scored is 2788. The average of Kohli in T20 is 50.86. The average of Rohit in T20 is 32.05. The strike rate of Kohli in T20 is 138.36. The strike rate of Rohit is 138.36. The highest run Kohli scored in T20 is 94. The highest run Rohit scored in T20 is 118. 200 and 100 Kohli hit in ODI is T20 is not. The 200 and 100 Rohit scored in T20 is 0 by 4. The 2650 Kohli scored in T20. The 2150 Rohit scored in T20. 84 by 270. The Rohit hit 127 by 246, 6 and 4. The Kohli got 22 not out in T20. The Rohit got 14 not outs in T20. The Kohli got 3 ducks in T20. The Rohit got 6 ducks in T20. The best ICC rank of Kohli is 1. The best ICC rank of Rohit is 7. Test plus ODI plus T20 all international career. The international debut of Kohli is August 18, 2008. The international debut of Rohit is June 23, 2007. The matches Kohli played is 428. The matches Rohit played is 371. The innings Kohli played is 476. The innings Rohit played is 382. The runs Kohli scored is 22,531. The runs Rohit scored is 14,518. The average of Kohli is 54.18. The average of Rohit is 42.67. The strike rate of Kohli is 96.24. The strike rate of Rohit is 95.23. The highest run Kohli scored is 254. The highest run Rohit scored is 264. The 200 and 100 Kohli scored is 7 by 70. The 200 and 100 Rohit scored is 4 by 40. The 50 Kohli scored is 111. The 50 Rohit scored is 76. The 6 and 4 Kohli hit is 231 by 2239. The 6 and 4 Rohit hit is 430 by 1338. The not outs of Kohli is 71. The not out of Rohit is 54. The ducks Kohli scored is 28. The ducks Rohit scored is 23. The best ICC rank of Kohli is 1. The best ICC rank of Rohit is 2. IPL career. The IPL debut of Kohli is April 18, 2008. The IPL debut of Rohit is April 20, 2008. The Kohli played 192 matches in IPL. The Rohit played 200 matches in IPL. The Kohli played 184 innings. The Rohit played 195 innings in IPL. The runs Kohli scored in IPL is 5,878. The runs Rohit scored is 5,230. The average of Kohli in IPL is 38.17. The average of Rohit in IPL is 31.32. The strike rate of Kohli is 130.74. The strike rate of Rohit is 130.62. The highest run Kohli scored in IPL is 113. The highest run Rohit scored in IPL is 109. The 200 and 100 Kohli scored in IPL is 0 by 5. The 200 and 100 Rohit scored is 0 by 1. The 50 Kohli scored in IPL is 13. The 50 Rohit scored in IPL is 39. The 6 and 4 Kohli it is 201 by 503. The 6 and 4 Rohit it is 213 by 458. The not out of Kohli is 30. The not out of Rohit is 28. The ducks Kohli scored in IPL is 6. The ducks Rohit scored in IPL is 13. The best ICC rank of Kohli is 1. Best ICC rank of Rohit is 2. Comment your favorite comparison.